Have you ever struggled to write a sermon introduction that truly grabs your audience? Believe it or not, the timing of when you write it could be the key to making it powerful and effective. So, when is the best time to craft your sermon introduction? In my last 4 videos, I shared the importance of the sermon introduction in setting the stage for the entire sermon. A good introduction sparks engagement and credibility. It also gives a clear roadmap of where the sermon is going. However, when you are preparing the sermon, it is nearly impossible to write the introduction if you are not sure where the sermon is heading or how the different points will unfold. Therefore, I want to propose 3 reasons why writing the sermon introduction last is my preferred approach. The first reason I suggest that you write your sermon introduction last is to create clarity. By the time you have finished with your research writing and structuring of your points, you will have complete clarity on the message and where you want to go. And this makes it easier for you to give your audience a clear and a compelling roadmap. The second reason is that you're able to focus on relevant themes. Your introduction will be more relevant because you will know exactly which themes or points to highlight, those points that resonate with your listeners. So that's another reason why I suggest that you write the introduction last. The third reason is that you gain confidence at your start. When you have everything processed, you will be more confident in your opening. You will know exactly the full scope of your message, and your introduction will reflect that confidence, and you will then be able to pull your listeners in from the start. So I would suggest that while it may be tempting to want to start writing with your introduction, finish the other processes first. Finish with your study, note-taking, outline, exegesis, and the development of the sermon body itself, and then you go back and you write the introduction in a clear and a focused manner. That way, when you stand in front of your congregation, you will introduce your message with confidence, knowing exactly where you're leading them. I hope these tips have been helpful to you. And if they have, please like this video and subscribe for more tips on preaching. Also, please share your comments in the section below, what topics you would like for me to cover, or you can just share some of your go-to strategies for sermon introduction. I would certainly love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, let's keep growing together.